Office worker. An office worker is someone who performs tasks in an office environment. Their job usually involves working with documents, using computers, and communicating with others. Office workers are essential in many businesses because they help keep everything organized and running smoothly. The daily tasks of an office worker can vary depending on the type of office. Some office workers handle paperwork, while others focus on customer service or financial tasks. Most office workers spend a lot of time at a desk, typing on a computer or making phone calls. They might also organize files, schedule meetings, or write reports. One of the main tasks of an office worker is data entry. This means typing information into a computer system. Office workers must be careful when entering data because even small mistakes can cause problems later. For example, if the wrong number is entered in a financial document, it could lead to confusion or even financial loss for the company. That's why attention to detail is important in this job. Office workers also answer phone calls and emails. They communicate with clients, customers, and coworkers every day. Sometimes they need to solve problems or answer questions. Good communication skills are important for an office worker because they must be clear and professional when talking to others. Office workers often need to listen carefully to understand the needs of the people they are helping. Another part of the job is organizing files and documents. Office workers need to keep everything in order so that it is easy to find later. This might mean creating folders, labeling documents, or saving important files on a computer. In some offices, workers might need to scan or print documents regularly. Staying organized is important because it helps the office run efficiently. Scheduling is another key responsibility of an office worker. They often arrange meetings for managers or teams. This includes finding a time that works for everyone, booking a meeting room, and sending out invitations. They may also be responsible for keeping track of the office calendar to make sure important dates are not missed. Office workers are often responsible for ordering office supplies. They need to make sure there is enough paper, pens, and other materials for everyone in the office to do their jobs. If something runs out, they must order more supplies. This helps the office run smoothly and ensures that workers have everything they need. In many offices, workers use computers for most of their tasks. They use programs like Microsoft Word to write letters and reports, or Excel to track data and create spreadsheets. Some office workers may use specialized software for tasks like accounting or project management. Knowing how to use these programs is an important skill for any office worker. Time management is an important part of being an office worker. They often have many tasks to complete in one day, and they must prioritize their work. This means deciding which tasks are the most urgent and which ones can wait. Good time management helps office workers stay productive and meet deadlines. Sometimes, office workers also assist their bosses with personal tasks like booking travel or managing their schedules. This is especially true for office assistants or secretaries. They might arrange flights, hotels, or car rentals for business trips. They also help make sure their boss is prepared for important meetings by organizing files or preparing presentations. Office workers often work as part of a team. They must cooperate with others to complete tasks and solve problems. Teamwork is important because it helps the office function better. When everyone works together, tasks are completed faster and more efficiently. In some offices, workers are responsible for handling financial tasks like processing invoices or managing the company's budget. This requires careful attention to detail and accuracy. Mistakes in financial documents can cause big problems, so office workers in this role must be good at working with numbers. The environment in an office can vary depending on the company. Some offices are quiet and formal, while others are more relaxed. In general, office workers must be polite and professional at all times. They represent the company, so their behavior affects the company's reputation. Office work can sometimes be stressful, especially when there are tight deadlines or a lot of tasks to manage. Office workers need to stay calm under pressure and focus on getting their work done. They also need to be flexible because priorities can change quickly. For example, a worker might have to stop what they are doing to help with an urgent request from their boss. One of the benefits of being an office worker is having a steady routine. Most office workers have set hours, usually from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. They also have weekends and holidays off. This regular schedule makes it easier to plan personal time outside of work. However, sitting at a desk for many hours can be tiring. Office workers must take care of their health by taking short breaks to stretch or walk around. This helps them avoid problems like back pain or eye strain from looking at a computer screen for too long. Office workers need several important skills to succeed. These include good communication, organization, and time management. They also need to be comfortable using computers and learning new software. Problem solving is another key skill because office workers often need to think quickly to resolve issues. In addition to skills, office workers need to have a positive attitude. They should be friendly, helpful, and willing to work hard. A good office worker is someone who can be trusted to get the job done on time and to do it well. In conclusion, the job of an office worker is essential for many businesses. They perform a variety of tasks that help keep the office organized and running smoothly. From answering emails to managing schedules, office workers play a key role in the day-to-day operations of a company. Their work is often behind the scenes, but it is critical for the success of the business. Being an office worker requires a combination of skills and a positive attitude, making it a rewarding job for many people.